Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee. Many people ask me, can facial massage really help with face lifting and reducing wrinkles? My answer is yes. But there are some important considerations to keep in mind. First, everyone's skin is different, so the pressure and frequency of massage should be adjusted accordingly. Second, the duration of the massage should not be too long, no more than once a day, and no more than 20 minutes each session. Third, while we can't completely prevent wrinkles, but we can slow down their growth. The key is focusing on acupressure points and meridians, which are fundamental effective massage techniques. Fourth, it's crucial to support our skin through diet. We should incorporate healthy fats and collagens as well as foods that promote collagen production, such as vitamin C rich foods, protein rich foods, foods high in copper, foods rich in zinc, antioxidant rich foods, and the foods containing glycine and proline. Fifth, regular exercises and physical activities help boost the metabolism, optimize mitochondrial function, and rejuvenate our skin. Sixth, anxiety and worry are hidden enemies of useful skin. So we must manage our mental state. Lastly, high quality sleep is non-negotiable. To maintain a healthy body and useful appearance, those 7 points are basic in principle. So let's start today by creating a plan that integrates those habits into our daily routine. Make them a part of our lifestyle and let them become your new habits. Now, I'm going to demonstrate some key acupressure points that can help support facial lifting and prevent or improve smile lines or nasolabial folds.